How to use timers with reward systems for ADHD study. Have you ever found it hard to focus while studying? If you have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, you are not alone. Many people with ADHD struggle to stay on task. But there is a method that can help you improve your focus and motivation. Let's talk about how to use timers with reward systems for studying effectively. First, you need to choose a timer method that suits you. Visual timers or digital timers work well for people with ADHD. They help you see time passing, making it easier to manage. The Pomodoro Technique is a popular choice. It involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. If 25 minutes feels too long, start with shorter intervals like 5 or 10 minutes. This way, you can gradually build your attention span. Next, set clear and manageable study intervals. Break your study time into small chunks. For example, set the timer for 10 or 15 minutes. Focus only during that time. Knowing that the timer will ring soon can create a sense of urgency that helps you concentrate better. Now let's talk about rewards. After each timer session, give yourself a small reward. This could be a short break to stretch, a favorite snack, or even a few minutes on social media. The key is to make the reward happen right after you finish your study session. This helps reinforce the positive behavior and keeps you motivated. If you find it hard to start a difficult task, set a short timer for just 5 minutes. Promise yourself a reward once the timer goes off. Often, just starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, you might find that you want to keep going even after the timer ends. It is also important to customize the lengths of your timers and rewards. Everyone with ADHD is different, so adjust the work intervals and rewards to what feels best for you. Some people prefer multiple short timers with frequent small rewards, while others may like longer sessions with bigger rewards. Flexibility is key to avoiding frustration. To make this method even more effective, control your environment. Reduce distractions by turning off notifications on your devices or using noise-canceling headphones. Having an accountability partner can also help you stick to your timer and reward plan. Finally, track your progress. Keep a simple log of your completed timed sessions and rewards. This can help you visualize your progress and boost your motivation. You may also notice patterns in what timers and rewards work best for you. Using timers with reward systems for studying can help you stay focused and motivated. By setting clear, manageable study periods followed by immediate rewards, you can overcome procrastination and improve your concentration. Tailoring the intervals and rewards to your needs, along with managing distractions, can lead to greater success in your studies.